I asked you what you would think yesterday, what you'd think when you went onto the pitch today. So, what were your thoughts?
I'm not sure. Probably the not the hardest part, but the one that got me the most was probably the on the bus. I think when I had my music on was I mean the amount of messages I've had for the last day is the amount of love and support from far and wide is I've said before it doesn't make a lot of sense, but I know to a lot of people how much it means to them and how happy they are for me, and that's the one that gets me. You're personally pleased for myself and pride, of course, but it's more how proud other people are, and yes, so it's an unbelievable night. I was thinking before the game, try and enjoy it. Once you're on the pitch, you're hoping then of getting a win, a clean sheet. The one in Albania was a great night, but ultimately it didn't feel like in the end because we lost. So I thought to a man tonight the team was outstanding. It's a difficult one with the game on Wednesday and a huge run on Tuesday against a very good team. It's easy to sort of think it's a friendly and stuff, but no, I thought it went as well as it could. It doesn't normally go like that, and living a dream that I've never dreamt that. It was probably the best way to put it in. Playing for a special group of people, and it means, I've said before, it means everything to me, and I'm so proud.
Yeah, good. Sometimes can be after the Lord Mayor show, but it wasn't. You won, kept a clean sheet. Yeah, I mean, you played a real captain's part, because I mean you can hear in the stadium now with no crowd, but obviously you were coaching Johnny Williams through the game as well. So I mean, you really took on that responsibility, I think, tonight, didn't you?
Yeah, and I mean it was tough. We had in the wing back positions two of our probably most attacking players, and they're doing something that they're not normally asked to do. I thought they were fantastic, and it wasn't against a team that were probably in the mindset of it's just a friendly. You could tell that you play a team like Mexico with some very good players, and their attitude towards the game, it's not a friendly, and rightly so. You turn up for your country, it should never be any different to any other game. But yeah, if there's ever a time where you can help players through, but the easy part is giving information on the pitch. They're the ones that do it. So I think they all deserve huge credit. I think they're pleased to be a part of a special night, and yeah, I'm super thankful for them that their performance has allowed me to probably enjoy it even more than I probably would anyway.
And just on, you mentioned yesterday, you've mentioned a lot about the special spirit of 2016 and the players there, but tonight, I mean, very few left from 2016, but yet that spirit epitomised in that performance. And I'm sure, when you look back at the start of your career with Wales, maybe that's not the type of game you'd have won, is it?
No, it certainly not. I think there was times where it sometimes felt that a good performance was the main thing, and as long as it didn't go drastically wrong, it was okay. I think yeah, from the qualifying group of the Euros, we changed the mindset. We had that of every game matters. You turn up and you sort of knew what you was going to get, and I think it's carried through right the way through now. And there's young lads coming into the squad, but they sort of understand what it takes. There's something that's been built, and for sure they're carrying it on. You see, of course, that the team was slightly different tonight. The performances of the boys who started was brilliant, and the people who were coming on. We're in a real good place at the moment, and hopefully after Tuesday night, of course that looks better, and then we've all got another summer. Hopefully similar to what, even though we're living in tough times at the moment, one we can all go enjoy. So, yeah, really pleased. I'm, just probably want to say thank you to everyone who's reached out and messaged. I will try and get back to everyone.
A busy few days then.
Yeah, I did. I think I'll set aside an hour or two tomorrow. But no, it does means the absolute world, and I've had so many messages of people saying thank you, but I need to point out that there's nothing to thank me for. I'm the one that needs to do the thanking for what they've given me. So yeah, it means an awful lot to me and my family, and yes, it's been a complete and utter privilege.
Great win, clean sheet, captain, well done.
Thank
Delighted
you.
for you.
Cheers,
Thanks, Chris, mate.
Thank you. Cheers, mate.